The Pre-Socratics. The pre-Socratic philosophers were early Greek thinkers who primarily sought to explain the nature of the cosmos, existence, and the underlying principles of reality before the time of Socrates. Their ideas laid the groundwork for much of Western philosophy and science. Here are some notable pre-Socratic philosophers. 1. Thales of Miletus. Often considered the first philosopher, Thales proposed that water is the fundamental substance, or arche, of all things. He is also known for his work in geometry and astronomy. 2. Anaximander. A student of Thales, Anaximander suggested that the basic principle of the universe was not a specific element like water but an indefinite substance he called the apeiron, the boundless. 3. Anaximenes. Another thinker from Miletus, Anaximenes proposed that air, or air, was the primary substance that gives rise to all things through processes of rarefaction and condensation. 4. Heraclitus. Known for his doctrine of change, Heraclitus argued that everything is in constant flux, famously stating that, "You cannot step into the same river twice." He also emphasized the unity of opposites and viewed fire as the fundamental element. 5. Parmenides. In contrast to Heraclitus, Parmenides argued that change is an illusion, and that reality is unchanging and indivisible. His philosophy emphasized the importance of reason over sensory experience. 6. Empedocles. Empedocles introduced the idea of four fundamental elements: earth, air, fire, and water, believing that all things are composed of different combinations of these elements. 7. Anaxagoras. He introduced the concept of nous, mind or intellect, as a cosmic force that organizes the universe. He also believed that everything contains a portion of everything else, which explained the diversity of substances in the world. 8. Democritus. Known for his development of the atomic theory, Democritus proposed that everything is composed of tiny, indivisible particles called atoms, which move through empty space, the void. The pre-Socratics set the stage for the philosophical inquiries of later thinkers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle by focusing on naturalistic explanations of the world, reason, and metaphysical principles.